Car here, back at it again with another video. And in today's video, we're gonna unbox the Blitz strut tower bar and we're gonna install it. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so they got a lot of staples here, so that's gonna be hard to take out. Let me just open it up from here. Alright, so we can take it out from here like this. Good packaging, nice and secured inside. Alright, there's more stuff. Let's take it out. Could be the packaging, yeah. Alright, so that's it. This out. All right. So this is our bar. As you can see, it says Blitz on there. Okay. Put this to the side. Now it's time for this box. So this is the bracing mount for the strut bar. Let's open it up. Alright. So there's one and two. It's a nice red color. Oh, it's nice. So this is one of the brace mounts. Good quality. It's heavy. All right, so this was the unboxing of the Blitz strut tower bar, and it's time for the install. All right, guys. So here's a look at my engine bay real quick. All right, so the tools that you need is a hammer, a flathead screwdriver, a 14mm socket and a ratchet, and a door panel remover tool. This is for the clips that we're gonna pop out. So anyways, I went ahead and already opened it, but I'm gonna just explain how I did it. So there's 2 bolts here for the wiper blade. Now there was a cover, you just remove that cover out and then you'll see those. I removed one of the panels over here. It's easy, just take a flathead and just remove it like that. And there's 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and this whole panel should remove. Now I used a hammer to hammer this in a little bit so I could pop that open. Now I had a little bit of difficulty taking this out, so what I did was that I just pushed this down a little bit because it pushes down, and then I just removed it like that. And that's about it. So let me just remove this real quick and then we'll go on to the installation. So you want to come up here and carefully remove this part right here. Go nice and slow. You don't want to break anything. And use your hands only, don't use a tool. Alright, so this is removed. We'll just put this to the side like so. And there's 3 bolts right there. Alright guys, so I ran into a problem. The problem is that this has no clearance in here. So what I'm going to do is get a swivel socket, right? So you guys could get the swivel socket and just put it here and you'll get clearance. But what tools I'm gonna use for myself is this tool right here. So it swivels like that, and you put your bolt in and you'll have clearance to unbolt it. All right, so I put this on and this is how easy it is. You come up here and like that, and then you can start loosening it up. Alright, so once you unbolt those 3 bolts, there's 2 more right here that's 10 millimeters. So let's go unbolt those. Time to unbolt these 2 right there, and it's a 10 millimeter. Alright, so once all this is unbolted, you take your brace and you lift this part up like so, and you slide it in. Alright, so here's how it looks when I put the brackets on. Make sure this side is up. Alright, now time to bolt everything on. Alright guys, so I bolted everything on. This is how it looks. Looks pretty cool. So to tighten this up, just use an Allen and a socket and wrench it. Alright guys, so everything is installed. This is how it looks like. It looks pretty clean. Alright guys, so let's do a quick test drive and see how the strut bar feels. Let's see if it improves handling or not. Alright, so let's start it up and see how it handles. I don't know if it's placebo, but I think my steering wheel is a little bit stiffer now. Do another turn. Feels good. So roundabout here. Left and right, feels good. Not bad. The intake sounds good too. I can literally hear my intake. Alright. Do a round. I think my handling got better. Feels nicer than before. Alright, so I'm back in my garage. There you have it. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out.